on your machine, you actually make a long chain stitch because you're going to bring it around in the front. I cut a piece 2 inches wide. Okay, so next what I'm going to do here is I'm laying my piece biased or knit, but in this case knit. So, okay, so now I'm making sure that I'm holding my thread and that it's staying right there on that side, and then I've got it fold. So I'm just going to start sewing. I'll watch this side and make sure I don't get any bigger. So you can put a piece of tape here if you needed to. So now I'm pulling it. As you can see, as I pull my thread, it's going to actually, it's making the little lead, right? And it would gather up and turn if I had put my hand there and let it in there a little bit more. So you'll see that when I finish. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I finish. Get off, cut off that. Be sure you don't cut off your lead. Be sure you don't cut off your lead. So as I pull the string, you can see that that little loop starts to go down in there. So now it's all gathered up and I'm pulling the string, and right here, as you can see, it's just like I'm pulling a rose in. It's just going in, and as it goes you can just keep pulling like that and pull it right on through. So I'm just keep pulling like this. And it's coming out the other end already, as you can see. And that's the spaghetti strap. It's done in 2 seconds. That's all there is to it. There it is.